If you're looking for a traffic source and having a hard time gathering leads to get to your opportunity, well, I want to go over my lead gen secret. And if you already know what my lead gen secret, I want you to stay rocking with this video because I got something exciting to show you. I think you guys will love what I have to show you. But stay to the end of the video. Keep rocking with me. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification so you know what's going on with my lead gen secret and any other opportunity that I present here on YouTube. And again, my name's Corey Norris. Thank you for checking out my channel and rocking with me on my page. So with my lead gen secret, they give you 100 leads every day that you can send your email out to. This is a bulk email system. So you'll be able to mail every day to 100 leads, but they're going to give you 100 leads a day. So every day these 100 leads will pile up and compact. So if you from day 1 to day 10, you'll have 1,000 leads to send your opportunity and your email to them. So and people are making sales with my lead gen secret. If you've been here on my channel, I have other videos of my lead gen secret and showing that people are having great opportunity, having great sales with this opportunity to be able to mail out to 100 leads per day. Now, as an affiliate for the platform, anyone who joins underneath you, you get 200 leads a day. So you go from getting 100 leads a day to 200 leads a day. And if you're an affiliate, they provide the emails and stuff for you. Here I am in my back office. This morning I sent off an email. Already 230 emails open up, but I sent it off to 8,200 leads. So every day these numbers change on the open rate. The numbers change on the click rate. The numbers change on the on these opening rates. The numbers change on the click-through rates. So just because you see low numbers now, tomorrow that might be 2,000. The day after it might be 3,000 because I have 8,200 leads to send a once a day email to. With this system, it's very, very easy to send the email out. But I wanted to go over real quick as an affiliate for them. They give you multiple different capture pages, not capture pages, but lead magnets and things to promote the opportunity. They have a great compensation plan that goes 5 levels deep. Now, it's not like a whole big guap of money, but if you can start getting more and more people up under you, the bigger your income, this will be a residual income, can grow. They give you done for you emails to send out every day that's highly converting. These emails highly convert with the offer as an affiliate. So I think that's a great thing to have with this system. I'll take you over into the mailing system. Again, if you're already a member of my lead gen secret, keep rocking with this video. I have something great to show you. So we're here, you will select all, and that's going to give me my 820 leads. I can mail by lead partner or by mail by date, by today. So once my lead partners start getting more and more leads, I can mail off of his leads too. Same thing that goes back and forth. So you get more and more leads to sell to. Inside of this system here, every email that you sent out, the campaigns that done well, you can always resend them campaigns out. They have them here in a save email list, and all you have to do is hit load, and it'll load up your subject line and the email that you sent out for that day. I've already sent out an email this morning, so in 19 hours and 17 minutes and 47 and counting, I'll be able to send out a whole new list of another email to the list again. And this list will have grown from 8,000 to 200 to 8,400 tomorrow, which is awesome, I think, because in today's when it comes to marketing, and if you're brand new to marketing, you might get 5 to 10 email signups a day. Now, having 100 leads come to you on a daily that's looking for your opportunity is a for sure way to get sales in your business. Now, if you've been rocking with me, thanks for going through the whole video with me. Please like and subscribe down at the bottom. I can use as much support as I can get to help me grow this channel. But I want to go over into my six-figure marketing system. This is a new system, new kid on the block. It's a direct payment platform. So anybody that gets started with you, you'll be able to get paid directly with this system. It has done for you capture pages, email follow-ups to be able to market this system. But not only that, you'll be able to market other business opportunities that you have. Now, I was going through the back into the multi-stream system that they have that's new, and it's forever upgrading. It's only been on the market about a year, going on a year. And they upgraded so much, have added so much to the system. But they have right here a multi-stream system with My Lead Gen Secret. I'm gonna open that up for you guys. Now, if you've been on my channel, I do promote the Infinity Processing System, which is an attraction marketing course that teaches you how to attract the perfect client and customer to you, so you're not running and chasing people to draw to your opportunity. They teach you how to set up your YouTube and get your YouTube going, how to set up a Facebook group, and how to set up a Facebook page and get that going. And you can earn 100% direct commissions. They start from a $50 product to a $600 product. So inside of the multi-stream income system with the My Six Figure Blueprint, you'll be able to market your primary and you'll be able to market this opportunity, which is the six-figure blueprint system. The marketing system is what I'm using. It's a one-time $150 fee, but as a composition payout as an affiliate for it, you make $100 direct when someone pay with you, and it has leverage. So your leverage line gets $25 and the admin of the platform get $25. So every time someone signs up underneath you, you'll be the leverage. So when they make a commission, they'll make $100. You'll make $25, and the admin will make $25. So that's how the marketing system and their composition work. They have the library packet, which is training for it has training in there for content training, how to use social media, attraction marketing training. And every time someone buys that packet from you, you make $300, your leverage line makes $100, and the admin makes $100. So when someone joins underneath you, you'll make $100 leverage off of every time they sell a library package. And they have their resellers system that goes all the way up to 115. But I want to stay on topic and get to My Lead Gen Secret, because that's why you guys are here. They have a My Lead Gen Secret opportunity in the multi-stream, because I use My Lead Gen Secret as a traffic source. So there's three things that you really need online to be able to make it, and that's a high converting primary offer with digital products, a marketing system, the way to capture your emails, market to your prospects, and build your brand, and a traffic source to be able to get eyeballs to your opportunity and be able to promote your opportunity. This traffic source, My Lead Gen Secret, is to me the bomb.com. I really love using it. That's why I promote it. That's why I share it, because I use it and I know that it works. I know that it's brought me leads and sales in my business and other people's businesses too. Check out my channel. Go to my channel. I have more videos on My Lead Gen Secret if you're not up to date with it. If you are, if you are, and you like to get a hold to this marketing system to be able to market My Lead Gen Secret, or if you're checking this out and you have other opportunities, I have this multi-stream income in the descriptions. You can check that out and get started with that. And if you want to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, again, you've seen it at the bottom. Go all the way down to the bottom, watch the video, and click get started with it. It's going to take you over to my sizzle page, and that way this page here, you can watch this video and know how to get started with My Lead Gen Secret. And if you're already with My Lead Gen Secret and you want a new way to market the system, go over to the marketing system. I'm gonna leave you guys with that one. I don't want to hold you up too long. It's already been 10 minutes, and if you've been here to the end, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment in the bottom. And please, I have my Facebook contact in the bottom too. Get with me on Facebook. I love to conversate and talk to you guys, chat with you, and me and everybody that's been checking out this page. Please, please, please get with me. I'm gonna leave you guys with that one, and I'm gonna get out of here and go do something.